to be single, okay? I just want to be married again.
And I just want $1 million.
Hi Indu, happy birthday. You're the most vivacious person I've ever seen.
Hi Indu, many happy returns of the day. Have fun on your birthday. We miss you. Hi Indu, happy birthday.
Hey Induri, what's happening? What's the birthday girl, beaming birthday girl up to? So anyway, happy birthday first of all. And you know what I can think right now is that time when we all used to go and watch these crazy Sridevi and Venkatesh movies and hang out in Bambi's house and do those night outs, and you know, I have the fondest memories of you, me and Kiran breaking beds. This is pretty controversial, huh? And you know, I really call you a chaddi buddy because I think we hung out in chaddis also. So from our chaddi times to my daughter's chaddi times, I think we've come a long way, and you've been there for me at all my milestones. My wedding time, you were the dancing diva, and even when Nishka was born, you were there, you know, carrying her. And you know, the thing that comes to my mind is this cycling queen and recycling queen with all her eye design and everything and upscaling stuff. You've come a long way, Indu, and I'm really proud of you, of all the multitasking that you do. And you're the Jan of every party, and the most amazing thing about it is keep that crazy giggle of yours on, because I think that's a completely insane thing about you. And I think you should patent your psychotic giggle. Even Alfred Hitchcock also will, you know, probably pay you some money for, you know, that kind of psychotic giggle that you have. So keep it going, birthday girl, and continue to rock the world. Bye.
Many
happy returns
of the day,
Indu.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Hey Indu, happy birthday. When Bhavana told me to do this, I decided I had to do this properly. So I had a bath, I blew my nose with the front-facing camera, things that I don't do normally. So she also asked me to remember some moments, fond moments. There's so many, but the funny ones are obviously when we used to come to your place at Amarchand, not Amarchand, I think Amar Apartments, right? Yeah, you had a mechanical claw hand at home, which I used to harass you and Bhavna with. Very nice of you to have something which I could use actually, instead of me bringing something over. That was one. And then I also remember, I think your 16th birthday party, I turned up early, meaning that I turned up on time that was advertised. And obviously the party hadn't started, and I decided to be enthusiastic, and I helped arrange stuff over there on my own initiative. I was so dead tired by the time the party started, 2 hours later of course, that, you know, I decided I couldn't do much and I had to go home. I learned a lesson. I've never been early to a birthday party after that. Okay. So happy birthday, have a great day, and a whole year ahead. I hope it goes superbly for you. Bye.
Birthday, Indu. May you get your Mr. Right this year, and let's go to Amsterdam for your party.
Hey bro, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. I was just thinking about you, and I was cherishing about the trip that we went to Pondi. I wish we go back again to Pondi and spend time in KD's house. I really hate cats, man. But still, I wish to go back over there. We had great fun in that trip. And bro, I'm really missing you guys, and especially irritating you. Hope we meet soon, fight again. Have a great year. Catch you up. Bye.
Happy birthday, Indu. You're always full of energy.
Happy birthday, Indu Pinni. Happy birthday, Indu Pinni.
Happy birthday, Indu. Mwah. So I probably know Indu the longest besides her parents, but in terms of friends, Indu and me go back to the days in St. Anne's when she was this shy, introverted girl. And when she told me she was leaving to HPS, I was really worried. But when it was my turn to go to HPS, I was amazed with the amount of confidence and energy that Indu had. And Indu had this Rani Mukherjee kind of vibe from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, but she had the Kajol hairband from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. And she really had this whole vibe going on with everyone like looking at her, noticing her. And here I was still trying to find my footing in school. And Indu told me one thing that I still follow today is don't care about what anyone thinks. Do whatever makes you happy. And that is Indu for me. Always happy, always bubbly, always there for her friends. You were there for me when I needed you, when my father was unwell. You were there with me in Bangalore. And I know you'll always be there for me. And I will also be there for you. Take care. Have a great year.
Indu, very, very happy birthday to you. I wasn't able to think of a specific memory that stood out with you, but what stood out when I was thinking back was just the positivity that you put out with everything that you do and the amazing spirit that shines through. And that's a great way to be remembered and thought of, I think. So yeah, cheers to that. I hope that only gets stronger each year. And yeah, very, very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Indu. Happy 37th birthday, Indu. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Indu. Happy birthday, Indu. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearest Indu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Indu. Happy birthday, Indu.
Happy birthday! Your birthdays are always so much fun, and I'm really missing it this time. Let's catch up soon. I love you and I miss you.
Hi Indu, a very happy birthday to you. I hope you have a very, very great year and a fantastic birthday. Have a blast and just be bindas.
Yeah, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे मैं एक कैसा बीबी वाला अस्सलाम वालेकुम बीबी मेरे साफ अल्लाह रे कैसे पसाला फुको कल से हैप्पी बर्थडे आज से क्या पकड़ रहे हैं उधर से वो एप्पल पाई वो पास्ता वगैरह वगैरह अपन का लाहौर में गली में वो नल्ले का सूप शीख कबाब बिरयानी जैसे खाना वैसे जीना वो उधर हैदराबाद में क्या कर रहे थे अभी इधर आओ जी हमारे साथ मनाओ जी हैप्पी बर्थडे तो जिंदगी भर खुश रहो जी अपन का प्यार सब आपके पास रहो जी So Indu ji, yeah, it's me. Happy birthday Indu ji, have a great day. Hope you keep spreading the smiles, energy and laughter. I have the best fun and laughter with you. Keep that going. Hope you have a great day, an amazing journey ahead. Till we meet up in Lahore, at least in our beautiful place, Chintamani, as you can see. Till then, lots of love, lots of wishes. God bless.
Many happy returns of the day, Indu. Have a nice day.
Hello, happy birthday, Indu. Actually, I wanted to celebrate with you, but I'm celebrating myself. Cheers. And you're the best in our gang for the entertainment. And actually, I love your laugh. Really, I'm telling you, I love your laugh. Because if you laugh, everyone will laugh. You're the best person and the crazy friend I have. Once again, happy birthday, Indu.
Hi, Indu Esther. Many many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Indra. This is a birthday wish from Bangalore. And I know you think we're going to tell the wallet story, but you're wrong. We've always been so inspired and we admire you so much. Like, especially now, you're so adventurous, going cycling up and down the country, raising, awareness and funding for like this amazing cause.
I think it's clear that you've been training for this ever since college by cycling up and down Hosur Road, which is almost as dangerous as what you're doing now.
So yes, happy birthday. Have a wonderful, wonderful year ahead. We love you.
Have a lovely year ahead.
Hi Indu, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. It's been so long, haven't met you, haven't spoken to you, but I know you're doing really, really well. I'm so proud of you for the whole bicycle ride that you did. I still remember you and Preeti serving me my first alcoholic drink. I think it was somewhere in Banjara Hills. There was it F? I don't know why does that come to my mind. But I know my drink was, my first drink was a screwdriver. So, and I think we went back to your house. So many memories with you, but miss you so much. I wish you're having a great, great birthday. Loads of love. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Indu.
Happy birthday, Indu. Happy birthday, Indu.
Happy birthday, Indu. Madhu doesn't want to be on the video because she has oil in her hair. Happy birthday, Indu. Thank you, Kanan.
Okay, I'm in the video now.
Hi Indu, wishing you a super birthday, and as always we are the last ones to send out this video wish, and I can't find the rest of my family. God knows where the rest of my boys are, but then I have the best boy of the house with me, this cutie pie Lucky. So wishing you a great birthday and hope you get loads of luck this year.
Happy birthday, Indu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Indu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Indu.
Have fun.
Okay, Indu auntie. We love you, Indu. We miss you. There are zillions of memories of both of us, and I cannot just mention one memory, but I always remember us watching movies together, and you always fell asleep, Indu. And I miss doing that. We really miss you. Come to US whenever the lockdown is up. Let's make more memories. Bye. Have fun.
Bye.